Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to a fantastic selection of cycling bags designed for both style and functionality. These bags are perfect for every cycling enthusiast, providing ample storage and comfort. Join us as we explore the features and benefits that make these cycling bags an essential companion for your rides. Let's dive in. The first biking bag can upgrade your cycling experience. The ROCKBROS Rainproof Bicycle Saddle Bag, a must-have accessory for MTB and road bike enthusiasts. Designed for durability and convenience, this Shockproof Seatpost bag offers ample storage to carry essentials like tools, snacks, and personal items. If you are interested, you can get this bag with 50% off discount. And don't forget to subscribe and like if you like more videos like that. The next bag is from Rhinowalk Waterproof Bike Saddle Bag, designed for MTB road and touring bikes. This large-capacity rear seat post bag offers ample space for your essentials, including repair tools, spare tubes, and personal items. Made from high-quality waterproof materials to keep your belongings dry in any weather. Spacious design provides enough room for tools, snacks, and other cycling necessities. Adjustable straps and a sturdy mount ensure a firm fit on your bike without wobbling. Convenient side pocket to keep your bottle easily accessible. Enhanced visibility for safer night rides, whether you're commuting, bikepacking, or hitting the trails. The Rhinowalk saddle bag is the perfect companion for hassle-free rides. If you are interested, you can get 40% discount using the link in description. The second bag is from West Biking Bicycle Tail, a compact and waterproof storage solution for all your essential tools and accessories. Designed for road bikes, this mini portable saddle bag fits securely under your bike seat, providing easy access to your repair tools, keys, phone, and other small items. The next bag can upgrade your cycling setup with the ROCKBROS Bicycle Saddle Bag, a versatile and waterproof rear seat bag designed for convenience and functionality. This durable storage pouch features a dedicated water bottle pocket, allowing easy access to hydration on the go. Its water-resistant material keeps your essentials safe from rain and splashes, making it ideal for all-weather rides. The adjustable straps ensure a secure and stable fit on your bike's seat post, preventing movement during rough rides. With ample space for tools, snacks, and cycling accessories, this lightweight and aerodynamic bag is perfect for road biking, commuting, and long-distance cycling. The Rhinowalk Bike Bag is a versatile and spacious cycling bag, designed for riders who need a reliable and multifunctional storage solution. Featuring a large capacity, this bag can be used as a handlebar pannier, frame tube bag, or even a backpack, making it perfect for MTB, road cycling, commuting, and bikepacking adventures. Its durable and waterproof construction ensures that your gear stays protected in various weather conditions, while the elastic band design allows for additional external storage. The quick-release mounting system makes it easy to attach and remove from your bike, offering maximum convenience for on-the-go cyclists. Multi-purpose design: use it as a handlebar bag, pannier, or backpack. Large capacity, spacious enough for tools, clothes, gadgets, and essentials. Durable waterproof, protects your items from rain and dust. With this bag, West Biking offer more space, a premium top tube frame bag designed for MTB and road bikes. This multifunctional bag features a 7.0-inch transparent TPU touchscreen, allowing easy access to your phone for navigation, music, or calls without removing it from the case. If you want 50% of discount, you can use the link in description. This is one of the best bag from ROCKBROS, Portable Ultralight Cycling Storage Solution. Upgrade your cycling experience with the ROCKBROS Bike Top Tube Bag, a sleek and durable storage solution designed for MTB, road, and commuter bikes. Crafted from high-quality nylon, this bag is ultralight, water-resistant, and built to withstand various riding conditions. Spacious, compact, offers ample storage for essentials like your phone, tools, wallet, and snacks without adding bulk. The next bag is for you, if you want more space and large storage capacity. Rhinowalk 20L Waterproof Bike Pannier Bag, a high-capacity and multifunctional bag, designed for both daily commutes and long-distance adventures. Spacious enough to store your essentials, whether for work, travel, or outdoor cycling trips. Made from durable, high-quality fabric that keeps your belongings dry in any weather. Functions as a pannier bag, shoulder bag, and backpack, making it perfect for on-the-go cyclists. Easily mounts to your bike's rear rack for a stable and hassle-free ride. Comes with adjustable straps for a seamless transition between cycling and walking. Ideal for bike commuters, touring cyclists, and outdoor enthusiasts. The Rhinowalk Bike Pannier Bag combines practicality with style. Get yours now and ride with confidence. If you are interested, you can get it with 50% of discount using the link in description. Another bag and another brand, Taki Zero TZ07 Bicycle Tail Bag, designed for both road and mountain bikes. Made from EVA hard shell material, this saddlebag offers superior protection for your essentials while maintaining a sleek and aerodynamic design. Durable hard shell design. The EVA material ensures impact resistance and maintains its shape, protecting your belongings from bumps and drops. Water-resistant, weatherproof. Keep your gear safe from light rain and splashes while riding in various conditions. Spacious, organized storage. Ideal for storing tools, phone, wallet, keys, and other small accessories during your ride. Quick-release mounting system for hassle-free attachment. And a stable, no-wobble riding experience. Enhances visibility in low-light conditions for safer nighttime riding. Finally, I want to present you the best bag for me that's combined quality and low price. Don't miss out. You can find all these products through the link in the description, and by using that link, you'll unlock an exclusive discount of 40% to 70%. Grab yours now before the deals run out. Take your cycling adventures to the next level with the Ultralight Touring Bike Seatpost Bag.